This lesson is on opening pre-typed documents that already exist, and then perhaps saving them in a new location or as a new file. For this course, you're going to be finding your assignments. You got to go to Open first, of course, and it'll be My Computer, and I'm putting everything in the handout drive. Now this applies to anybody. You find the file that you're looking for. So you can use this as an example. Find the folder that it happens to be in, and the folder may yet be in another folder. Then when you find the file you're looking for, you simply open it. Now, once you've opened it, the first thing you should do is save it where you would like it to end up being. In our case, we want to save this to what's called your M drive. So don't just hit save, because you're basically saving this file exactly where it was, which is in my handout drive. It's probably not going to let you do that anyway. So what you should be doing is hitting this button here, okay, so your Office button, and from here you have the ability to save as, which means save as something else, somewhere else possibly. So I'm going to hit the Save As button. And here's where you determine where this is going to go. Now it's always going to go into your M drive, which is likely going to be My Documents. Okay, you can even create a folder for yourself, call it Word, and you can put all your Word documents in there if you'd like. More on organizing your files later, but for now, just make sure you're saving it in your documents, which is on your M drive. Okay, so here, and now my instructions will be telling you what I want you to name it. Sometimes you'll be changing the name, sometimes you won't. In this particular case, we're not going to change the name, okay, but if you did, you would just type it right here. So maybe I will here. Maybe I'll just call it junk so that I know it's just a little junk file, and then I can hit save. Now at the top here, it'll even tell you that the file is no longer called Tempress, it's called junk. The next part of this lesson is the fact that you can move your insertion point and you can now start typing. If I start typing, it's going to push the existing text to the right. Okay, so holds a master's degree, so let's say a valid space master's degree. So that just pushed things to the right. So I was able to insert that very easily. If you wanted to delete something, you can use your backspace key. You could have used your delete key. If you know that it's not a master's degree, it's a bachelor's degree, you could, if you want, select the word, and then as you start typing, the rule is whatever you type will replace what's selected. So that's an easy way to delete something that exists and replace it with the new text that you would like to. If you need to add spaces at the beginning of a document, what you need to do is find the first part of the document and then hit enter, and that will push that down and thus allow you to work up here at the top of the document. So that's how you can insert and replace things into an existing document.